everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever hug a soft teddy bear, feeling its cuddly warmth, its gentle comfort, and the instant smile it brings, reminding you of childhood innocence, friendship, or someone's loving care? But when you want to describe that sweet feeling or share teddy bear stories in English, the words feel too simple or limited, holding back the full coziness, tenderness, and joy you long to express. Like you're celebrating Teddy Day on February 10th, the fourth day of Valentine's Week, when the world gifts adorable teddies to show love, affection, and caring hugs. Or remembering your favorite teddy that brought comfort on tough days, wanting to talk about its fluffy fur, huggable shape, the soothing feeling it gives, but your English vocabulary stays basic, making your teddy tales feel flat when they could be as warm and inviting as a big bear hug. Maybe you've dreamed of a cute, heartwarming story that celebrates Teddy Day while unlocking new English words naturally, words for softness, comfort, friendship, and sweetness, so you can describe teddies vividly, express caring warmly, and make your English as cuddly and lovable as a teddy bear on this special day. Today, we're celebrating Teddy Day on February 10th with something adorable, heartwarming, and vocabulary-rich, something that can fill your English with the softness of love and caring. We're talking about Learn English on 10 Feb, Teddy Day, Story, a cuddly vocabulary tale of comfort and friendship. We'll explore this joyfully and thoroughly with a complete, huggable story told in clear English, packed with highlighted vocabulary words related to teddies, comfort, and affection, bolded for easy learning and delight. Uplifting insights on why teddy stories make English irresistible. Practical tips to master the words while savoring the cuddliness, common challenges with sweet solutions, reflective prompts to connect personally, and step-by-step ways to use the story for ongoing growth, turning your practice time into a Teddy-inspired English adventure right away, so you can describe comfort vividly, express caring warmly, and make your English as soft, lovable, and huggable as a teddy bear on this special day. My friend, let me be straight with you from the heart, with the soft, comforting warmth that Teddy Day on February 10th brings to hearts everywhere. Learning English through a Teddy Day story isn't about stiff rules or plain lists. It's about letting the adorable charm of teddy bears, fluffy and cuddly, soft and huggable, comforting yet full of playful joy, carry words of caring, friendship, and sweetness into your English naturally, helping you express affection, comfort, and little happinesses with the tenderness they deserve. It's not about basic, cute, or nice that misses the coziness. It's not about avoiding cuddliness to be serious. It's not even about perfect sentences right away. That's not the Teddy way. No, it's about allowing one heartwarming story to weave vocabulary seamlessly, words like plush, snuggle, adorable, and cherished appearing in context, so you feel their softness, understand their warmth, and remember them through smiles and hugs. Because when you learn English this way on Teddy Day, cuddly things happen. Your vocabulary grows with words perfect for comfort, friendship, and joy. Your listening tunes to warm rhythms and descriptions, and your speaking becomes more expressive and inviting, helping you share memories, give caring words, or celebrate relationships with the coziness they deserve. Think about it deeply for a moment, letting the warmth hug you. Imagine describing your teddy with words like furry, squishy, or endearing, making listeners feel the hug too. You can learn daily phrases later. You can explore idioms another time. You can master conversations when ready. But without teddy-inspired stories, If you stick to neutral words, coziness fades. You can't build warm English without cuddliness to embrace. Every word in this story now is a teddy hug, making your English softer, sweeter, and yours. Now, I'm not here to make this complicated or overly cute. This is pure celebration of comfort in all forms. Friendship teddies, love gifts, childhood companions, self-care hugs. I just want you to grasp something vital and empowering. Cuddly teddy stories unlock English best because they combine comfort with learning, making words stick through warmth and smiles, as millions celebrate Teddy Day every February 10th with fluffy gifts that say, "I care." Every day offers moments for this, like morning teddy thoughts or evening snuggle. What you do with them, embrace the story or skip, shapes your words, warmth, and English cuddliness. If you think cute topics are too light for practice, you're missing their hug. They comfort like nothing else. But here's the huggable part, the heart of this episode. You can learn English cozily right now, celebrating Teddy Day with this story. The Cuddly Story, The Little Teddy's Big Adventure, Teddy Day Tale. In a cozy bedroom filled with toys, there lived a plush teddy bear named Teddy. Teddy was furry, squishy, and adorable, with button eyes that sparkled and a stitched smile that never faded. He was the cherished companion of a little girl named Sophie, who snuggled him every night for comfort. One Teddy Day, February 10th, Sophie received a new teddy from her grandma, a fluffy brown bear with a ribbon bow. But old Teddy felt lonely. "Will she forget me?" he wondered sadly. That night, Sophie had a bad dream. She woke tearful, reaching for comfort. Her hand found old Teddy. "You are my favorite," she whispered, hugging him tight. Teddy felt loved again. The next day, Sophie took both teddies on an adventure to the park. They had a picnic, played games, and laughed. New Teddy was playful, old Teddy was reliable. "You both make me happy," Sophie said. From then on, the teddies were inseparable, bringing warmth and joy every day, especially on Teddy Day, when Sophie gifted teddies to friends, spreading caring hugs. Teddy learned, a teddy's magic is in the love it receives and gives. The end. Bolded vocabulary words: cozy, plush, furry, squishy, adorable, button, sparkled, stitched, cherished, snuggled, comfort, lonely, tearful, hugging, loved, adventure, picnic, played, laughed, playful, reliable, happy, inseparable, warmth, joy, caring. My friend, did the story make you want a teddy hug? These words add cuddliness. To master them warmly, 16 ideas. First, read/listen 3 times. First for joy, second for words, third for warmth. Second, repeat cuddly lines. "You are my favorite." Third, personal teddy. "My teddy is furry." Fourth, visualize hug. See snuggling. Fifth, retell cozily. Add your teddy memory. Sixth, your why. To express caring softly. Seventh, group by feel. Texture, plush, squishy, emotion, happy, loved. Eighth, daily cuddle. Use one word for comfort. Ninth, synonyms. Adorable equals cute. 10th, draw teddy, label words. 11th, share teddy story. Use 10 words. 12th, journal warmth. What brings me joy? 13th, quiz cuddle. Match words. 14th, extend adventure. Then teddies. 15th, real day, teddy gifts meanings. 16th, celebrate hug, imagine teddy. Clarify, warmth in every word. Ask, did cuddliness grow? Tale, teacher, teddies like English, hug hearts. I know your English cuddles. Challenge, read 3 times, retell with 15 words. Share favorite. You're learning warmly now. Brave. This story your hug. Decide. I believe. Breathe, cuddle. Thank you for cuddly practice. Proud. Keep warm. See you next. Take care. Happy Teddy Day. Hugs to all.